So here's a Wayfair purchase sofa bed. It's convertible. In Wayfair, it's showing as Tarantino futon, sofa bed, convertible couch, modern love seat, sleeper sofa. And it's by ALWYNN Home. And what I got is a green linen color. It came like that. It's a bit heavy, but one person can push it in. And you have the right and left arm. It's under the sofa bed. If you receive it and don't see it, there's a zipper under it. The left arm and the right arm can just be a touch. Just quickly showing you. So this is before I assembled the legs. So that's the back. You can see that's why it's convertible, so you can use it as a sofa bed. I did try to use it on the floor without the legs first. You can use it like that if you prefer it. If you like it that way, you can. And I stood it up. It's gonna look like this. If you I just want to show you the holes of where the legs are gonna be attached. And here's a quick look at the label as well, just so you know where it's made from and what it's made of. And then here's the holes where you're going to attach the legs. So just make sure that you check it first, because just to make sure that you have all the holes, so you don't have to start installing them and then you're missing one of the holes. And then here's the zipper I was talking about at the beginning. When it arrived, the left and right arm is in there, as well as the accessories, where like the screws, the wrench, the wooden dowel is there. So here it is, that package was in there, and as well as when you open that package, this is what it is. The legs and the L-shaped wrench, the screws, and you got the washers as well. So there's a manual. It will show you, just so you'll have an idea on how to put it together, because it is very easy to install, but you'd still need to do a quick glance on the manual as well. So that's installing the legs. You have the wooden dowel. You can attach it on the legs so it holds on that part. See, you don't attach it on the sofa bed. You attach it to the wooden dowel first. I mean, the wooden dowel needs to be attached to the legs first, and then once it's attached like that, you are now able to use the screw in the washer so you can lock it in to the sofa bed. With this one, you are using the included L-shaped wrench. It's very easy to install that part. Here's a quick look at it. Once you've done the first leg, you work the rest of the 3 legs remaining. Just make sure you tighten it so it doesn't wobble. So again, here's the rest of the 3 legs. So it's very easy to attach it. It's all the same process for all the 4 legs, of course. And with the L-shaped wrench being included, that's a good thing. And the legs are very sturdy. And they did the holes the holes were created where it holds up the leg. Once you've installed it, you can feel it. And it came with padding as well, so just those are the foot padding. So just quickly install it in. It has adhesive, and that's the left and right arm. Very easy to install. All you need to do is to attach it, the part from, so this one is the left arm. Just attach it to the side of the left side of the sofa bed, so it can attach. It matches, so you just have to fit it in and then push in. So that's the finished installed legs futon sofa bed. And for you to be able to convert it to sofa, to a bed, all you need to do is push the back of the seat forward, and it can, you'll have an option to convert into a bed.